Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new to my channel. So we're going to get right into this Valentine's Day look, but first I want to let you guys know that this will be one of 4 episodes in my 4-part series for Valentine's Day. So up until Valentine's Day, I'm going to be giving you 2 videos a week, already recorded and ready to go. So these are the products I will be using today. I will be using Evie's Patty Gel. And if you don't know who Evie is, please go over to her channel, Long Hair, Pretty Nails. She's a great YouTuber, DIYer, and she has a lot to offer on her channel. I also will be using Poochiez Nails, Super Shine, No Wipe Top Coat, and their Bling Gel, as well as Young Nails Cuticle Oil in their file. I also have some tools I'll be using. I'll be using a Makartt brush as well as a random generic jewel tool. I will be using the Makartt's lamp as well as their dust collector and their e-file. So here are the nails, and let's just get into the design. So I added my tips on off camera because I use a peel off base, and if you want to see how I did that, please just comment down below. So I'm going to add this Makartt base coat so my glitter has something to stick to. Out of this glitter mix from Makartt, I'm just going to use the hearts. This glitter mix have a ton of different things in it, from bunnies to flowers to the hearts to little flakes. So here I'm just placing the hearts where I want them. There's no polygel on here just yet because I want to give like a layer look, if that makes sense. And you'll see once we add the polygel. So I'm going to put these hearts exactly where I want them, and then I'm going to ombre the polygel on top and then add some more hearts, so it's like a layered look of ombre, like hearts, then ombre, and then hearts on top. But you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, and then it'll make sense at the end, I guess. So now I'm placing more hearts on top of the ombre so I can give that layer look. I did put down a little bit of clear patty gel to try to create a little thin layer because I wanted to look like different depths. The hearts are in different depths, if that makes sense. Just continue to watch and you'll see what I'm talking about. Now I am going to encapsulate this with Patty Gel's clear poly gel. This is to protect all the work I just did. It's going to protect the glitter, so when I file, I can get a nice nail shape. I'm going to do this to all the nails that I did put the chunky glitter on. It's very important to go through and encapsulate all of the work you've done. So I did all the filing and shaping off camera. If you would like to see that in the future, just comment below and I'll make sure to keep that in the video. We're going to get right into placing these gems. I'm going to use the Poochiez nail gem gel. Also guys, if you made it this far, I want to say thank you. So please like, subscribe, and share my video. I would really appreciate it.